Hey, good day crafty chums, it's Nikki here and welcome to another 30-day Inchies challenge. This is day number 20 on a card. So, let's just pop this back a bit so you won't see my legs. Just get to the business end of it, which is the desk. And so I'm going to make a card. I'm actually going to make more than one because while I'm at it I might as well make some cards. And so the first thing I'm going to do is measure out a piece of cardstock that is 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And the reason for that is that you can fit. I'm just going to pop this piece of paper down because it's card making and my surface has to be clean for card making. Because I'm going to be using white cardstock, so I need the surface to be clean. So the reason why it's 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 is so that you can get a nice little square out of the bits you're going to put down. Now the only thing I'm having to decide here is, do I put a heart? Do I put a bead? Because I've already chosen blue to be my paper, or do I choose a PowerShell? And I'm just going to look into the camera and decide which one I'm going to use. And I like the heart, and the PowerShell looks nice as well, but I actually think this one will take it for this card that I'm going to do, and you'll see some others as well right at the very end. I shall show some other cards I'm making. I'm only going to make one on this video though, so I'm just going to pop. Just have to decide which way around, probably that way around. Just pop these on here, leave a nice little border, and of course this is going to be the most difficult one because it's dimensional. So I'll just have to hold that for a minute and I'll come back when that's done. Okay, that's not all the way stuck down, but that's partly stuck down, and what I'll do is I'll stick these down and then I'll peg it to make sure that it gets proper adhesion down onto the cardstock. So I'm going to pop one of these here, just leave a nice little border all around. I've actually got, I might do the blue, 2 blue here, pop that over a little bit more, and I've got another greeny coloured one here, so I think I'm going to put a greeny one coloured there so that it matches. And this one hasn't got a black border around, so just quickly ink around the edges of this one to the side because I don't want to get the ink onto the white piece of cardstock, and then on here because I'm going to this paper actually, but I am going to be using white cardstock, so as soon as I pop this one down I'm going to go and wash my hands. So as I said, I'm just going to peg this to keep the edges down. So just get a couple of pegs, otherwise it won't stick. So we'll just pop that down and that will give it a chance to stick. Go wash my hands and I'll be back. So I've got my A4 size cardstock and I am just going to cut it in half this way. This is a different size cardstock. Let's just get my scoreboard out. So 4 1/8 is half. I'm going to fold it over like this into the corner so that hopefully it's all square. mark it down. Just going to press it down, and pop this on the card up here, and I'm just going to write down here, thank you. Okay, so I've got my thank you very much, and I'm going to just ink it up. I'm going to roughly get it centered and everything else. Pop it down. I'm not selling them, so it doesn't matter if it's like not quite very centered. And I'm going to glue this one down. I would have taped it down, but I should have put the tape on first before I put the power shell on there. But it doesn't matter because that glue's okay. And we are going to just pop the little window about there. I think that looks about right. There you go, and that's Inchies on the card. And I'm just going to make some more, and I'll show you them after I've done. Okay then. So these are the cards that I made. This one says thank you very much, and it's got the little power shell in there, and the splatters. These were the splatter Inchies we made. This one says always remember you are loved, and again match the heart to the sentiment, and it's the splatters and insects and heart Inchies. So just pop those there. This is the numbers, and that says 1987, and that's going to be for my son for his birthday. Thinking ahead. And then this one here, which is the bead Inchie, and it just says you make the world a wonderful place. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Inchie makes on these 4 cards. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and like the 4 cards I made, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. If you're going to join in the Inchie challenge, come over to International Crafters on Facebook. Don't forget to check out Eileen McInnes's channel, and the International Crafters YouTube channel as well. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, because I'm approaching 2,000 scrubbies. 2,000 subbies, and I'd like to get there real soon. So thanks very much for watching. All the information you'll need to know is in the description box below. See you again soon. Bye.